Hi, today we're introducing you to the 59G Winnebago Travato. This beautiful Class B van-style camper is gas and loaded with lovely options to make your camping adventures just better than expected. So when we look at our Travato, there are a lot of extra amenities. So I'm just going to walk around and point out a few. She has extra sleeping capacity by turning the dinette into sleeping area. On the outside, we also have a full screen. So you have lots of fresh air and no bugs. Easy to access ports. And come on back here because it gets really exciting when we have our bike rack and a movable ladder that actually can be moved anywhere along the rails on the sides of the van. More access to our water. And the best part is it's a really wide open with little bits of storage tucked everywhere. And let me show you how there's actually a bed in here. So when you've had a full day of traveling, you can relax in comfort anywhere that you decide to pull off. Nice little places for storage. And beautiful cabinetry that you'll never have a problem getting a replacement for should something happen. Plenty of extra little storage cubby holes. Did I mention storage? Lots of great use of space. And come on in. We have, our bathroom that's all inclusive. Toilet, shower, sink, storage. And of course our galley. Sink, range, microwave, and yes, refrigerator and freezer. Not to mention, more storage with lots of drawers and cabinets for everything you need to keep food and all the toys you want at your fingertips. So if you're looking for that Class B, the Winnebago Travato is just for you. Come on down to Vermont Country Campers and check her out today.